Ooh. Hey y'all noobs, 'tis I, the queen of noobs, and today is a makeup tutorial special for you. And that rhymed, which means I'm also an MC. Can you believe me? Look at me, rhyming. Anyway, so this is gonna be a really simple, really easy makeup tutorial for people that you can't keep up with these people like Manny Mua and James Charles. And I just want to take a quick moment to thank Vogue Effects for sponsoring this video. Thank you for seeing the value in me. So we're going to do eyeshadow first. Let's do this one, okay? It looks like a nice cocoa powder, nice chocolate bookie. Now you want to grab the brush and put it as deep as it can go in your eye, not in your cornea, on your eyelids, like this. See, like that's the deepest part. So you go like this, okay? There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's like I'm making a rainbow. Ring, ring, rainbow. And then wipe the excess on your sweatpants. Blend, blend, blend. I also forgot to mention, I don't know anything about makeup. So, yeah. Then why are you doing a makeup tutorial? Well, Brenda, two things. First things first, I'm the realist. I can do whatever I want, okay? The other thing, this tutorial wouldn't be very honest if I wasn't actually a noob. Duh. And remember, y'all, wipe the rest on your sweatpants. Don't be fooled by the rasta raga. I stole penny from the block. Hey. Except that song doesn't really apply to me because I'm not rich and successful, so. Don't be fooled by the rasta raga. The reason I was inspired to do this video is because y'all, makeup has gotten out of control. When I look at these makeup tutorials, I'm so damn confused. I was more confused than that one girl in the movie The Labyrinth when she had to go through the damn labyrinth, okay? There are just so many steps. There are so many serums, so many products, so many discount codes. I just can't keep up with it. It's too much. So conceal here, and oh my gosh, I completely forgot to take off my mustache. I told my man to tell me once my mustache was looking like a damn walrus or a damn sea lion. But he never tells me. Look at me trying to get all cute with a damn mustache and unibrow. I don't care. I have some really dark memories, y'all, of some rude ass kids picking on me. I remember there was this one kid that I had a crush on for like 6 years, guys. And I'm a little Mexican girl. I'm hairy. I'm still hairy. So this kid that I liked, I would pick on him because I don't know. Anyways, he got mad at me. And then he was like, "Don't touch me, you hairy gorilla." And I was so gooped and gagged from what he said. And I went home and cried. I mean, on one hand, I was being a rude ass, so I kind of deserved it. But like on the other hand, why you gotta be like that, fool? Like, I was really insecure about it. By the way, I don't fill in my eyebrows. I don't use foundation. All right, y'all. So this is the really cool part, the eyeliner part, okay? If you struggle with making a wing, if you struggle with your eyeliner and you be looking like a panda, Vogue Effects has this eyeliner stamp where it's 2 eyeliner pens with a wing for each eye already made, and you just stamp it on. Look at this fool. One end has the little wingy stamp, you know what I'm saying? And the other end has an eyeliner stick. And it's like, whoever made this had us noobs in mind. Okay, so let's try it out. This is the right wing. You just gotta position it like this. Look at that. What, girl? So now I'm gonna fill in the rest with this side. Girl, this is so big, I could probably fly away right now. Left wing. Look at that. Automatic even wings on each side. Are you freaking kidding me? And boom, there you go. Y'all, I usually have to do my eyeliner off screen because I use this hand to balance this elbow, and this elbow balances this wrist so that I can go like, like that. But with the stamp, I just go boom, boom. It's the same on each side, and it's a sickening wickening. And this is not my first time using it. I've actually already used it a few times, and it does last a really long time. I'm not kidding y'all. Like, I actually like this stuff. So if you want to cop yourself some, I'll leave the links down below in the description box. I've heard that there's whale poop in mascara. Is that true? Is there actually whale poop? Because that's kind of disgusting. And actually, mascara is my least favorite part of doing my makeup. That's actually the reason I don't like doing my makeup or wearing it. Actually, what I hate the most about wearing makeup is washing it off, because it gets in my eyes and it stings. And I can feel my corneas shriveling from all the chemicals. So we're gonna use some lip color. I got the NYX Lingerie right here. You know, and I'm gonna put it on my lips. Now for the highlight and the contour. And you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Clean up on aisle 6, because I'm about to spill some major tea, okay? Like gallons and gallons. Kim Kardashian and her sisters have been credited as the ones for making highlighting and contouring. No! Highlighting and contouring was created by drag queens. So all y'all need to calm down. I use my fingers. I don't care. Like, I don't care. I don't wear makeup a lot, okay? And when I do, I just do it how I think is right and how I think it looks good. You know what else? What happened to bronzer? Okay, bronzer was the ish when I was in middle school. Now people be using contour sticks. I hate contour sticks. I just don't like them, okay? I'm good. I'm good with what I'm doing. My favorite hairstyle to do with my makeup is a split in half low bun. I just feel like it looks really classy, really beaut. And there you go. Look at that. Just look at that. Ooh. Ooh! Aren't you gonna put on some nice clothes? I am. It's called my merch. Did you see how smooth that was? You see how smooth that was? Look at this. It's really beaut. You know, like if you want to be a beaut like me, that's gonna be linked down below in the description box as well. Alrighty, y'all. So that is my simple, easy noob look. Okay, it's basically the makeup that I always do when I do wear makeup once in a blue moon. Usually it's for weddings, okay, or quinces. But other than that, I'm gonna go out like a crusty mess, and I don't care. Comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps me to grow here on the platform. And comment down below what you want to see on this channel. And if you want to follow me on any of my social media, I'll leave all the links down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!